Hi guys, this is John here. As part of this section, I will discuss the concept of services and specifically a concept of man days, which we will be using. So let us get into that. Now, you have decided to start a services company where you are providing a service to your customer. So let me take an example. Let us say that you have started a training company. Now, training company is basically you are going to students. So, your trainer will go to students, multiple students, and there your trainer trains these students together. So, now you need to ask yourself how many days does it take for my trainer to train these students? So basically, how long does it take to execute a training program? So let us say it takes 3 days. So one trainer takes 3 days to execute one training program. Now you might be asking, saying, John, why do I care about this? Well, let me tell you. Let us take an example that if you are paying your trainer 44,000 rupees a month, okay, I'm just taking this number for simplicity, and in a month there are 22 working days. I know there are 31 days, but we assume 22 working days. So let us calculate what is the cost per day for my trainer. So the cost per day would be 44,000 divided by 22, that is 2,000 rupees per day. So if I say that my cost of my trainer is 2,000 rupees per day, then for a 3-day training program, my cost is 6,000 rupees. My cost is 6,000 rupees per training program. So now I know what my cost is. Now let us assume that this training program is a little more complex training program where I need 2 trainers to execute this training program together. So can you tell me now what is the cost of this training program? Can you guess? Now I have 2 trainers for 3 days, correct? So that equals to a concept of 6 man days. It's basically 2 men needed for 3 days, which is equal to a total of 6 man days. Now, can you tell me what's the cost of 1 man day? This was my cost. If you remember, we calculated this 2,000 rupees per day. So this is also called as 2,000 rupees per man day. So my total cost of this program will be 6 into 2,000 rupees. That is equal to 12,000 rupees per training program. So as an entrepreneur for a services company, you need to ask yourself, how many people will I need to deliver that service, and how long will it take for me to deliver that service, and together this will give you the total man days needed to deliver that service. So this is an important concept you need to understand when it comes to a services company. So I hope this was clear for you all. And this will play a very important role in your cost and profit calculation in the future sections of running a services company. So I hope this section was clear for you guys. I will see you guys in the next section. Thank you.